Alright guys, so this is a quick recap on trade that I took last week. So I'm trying to keep this very simple and short so that there's no need to complicate something that's quite simple. So if you take a look at this price action, you notice that already we are inside a fair value gap. As you can see, you have a fair value gap high, and then serving as liquidity, price purged into it, forming a swing low, right? So that occurred on Monday, Tuesday. So this is Wednesday candlestick. So this is actually where I'm calling my trade from. So that's that. So moving on in 4-hour time frame, you can see that inside the fair value gap, this is serving as our higher time frame key level, and then inside this fair value gap we had a breakout block serving as a proportion towards the upside. Inside it we have a fair value gap, we had another block as well. So this is high time frame key levels, and then we had other block. So we have a couple of two other blocks that we are actually working with. So then again, so this is our fair value gap. You can use this, you can have your entry there, you can have your entry here. So that's that. It's actually very simple and nothing much or complicating. And then this is an SMT, you can take your entry here, right here, have the next candle, or if you want you can actually drop on a lower time frame, but I'm just trying to keep it simple so that you follow down the procedure when taking your own trade and all that. So now dropping on a lower time frame, given that we've gotten our high time frame key level and we've known our buyers. So what we are going to be looking for now is highly keen on execution, right? On execution. So you have to target your 3RR or 4RR or whatever that you are looking for, but this is what I took. So I took my entry on a 1 minute time frame, dropping on a 1 minute time frame. That was actually when I took my entry, and then I was targeting just quite a low risk reward, which anyone can. It is actually matter of preference, right? So I prefer this risk to reward ratio that I'm taking. You can be targeting 5, 4, 20, it all depends. So we have our 9:30. So my trade will always be after 9:30, right? And then as you can see, if you look closely, you can see how price moved smoothly, right? After the confirmation inside the fair value gap, we have a high time frame fair value gap, two high time frame fair value gap serving as a high time frame key levels. So with our bias confirmed, so execution tends to be smooth, right? So that's that for today.